A very good morning to all. I remember my first day in school. I was a bit scared and nervous to walk around the huge building. But during the years at the school, I have been able to face my obstacles, conquer my fears, and break the apparent boundaries, and this has led me to talk to you today. Today, I'm proud to say that I am from Kalka Public School, which has allowed me to flourish as a student and provided me not only right education but also very special memories. Founders Day provides us an opportunity to reflect on our school, its illustrious history, while highlighting its important accomplishments. It allows us to look at the past, the present, and take a glimpse into the future. Today, we are celebrating our school's Founders Day virtually. It is the day to remember and thank our revered founder, Sri Ayan Chopra ji, who had the vision of imparting a quality education. We also extend our gratitude to the ever-supporting management and teachers who played a great role in molding our lives. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. We will now start our today's event with the lighting of the auspicious lamp. O lotus-eyed Saraswati, kindly bless us with knowledge, wisdom, and humility. We make commitment to do the right things, to be worthy and carry out the intentions of our founder. Today is a big day to thank Almighty of how far flung we have come and how far we have to go. Along the multifarious struggles and testing times, we have much more to thrive and much more to show. Let's rejoice the majestic journey that our establishment had up to now. Let's raise a toast to make it better and better. We now present a melodious composition depicting the essence of our school in our school song sung by the talented singers of KPS.
हम KPS की मदमाती गंगा की है धवलधार। हम KPS की मदमाती गंगा की है धवलधार। ओ नदियाँ पहाड़ियाँ जंगल ढेरों सपने इंद्रधनुष से बड़े लेके हाथों में हाथ। हम KPS के मदमाती गंगा की है धवलधार। भेदभाव के मन मुटाव के अंधियारों को दूर करे। अज्ञानों के अपमानों के सायों से हम खूब लड़े। निश दिन बहती यशधारा से तूफानों को कर दे पार। हम KPS की मदमाती गंगा की है धवलधार। हम KPS की मदमाती गंगा की है धवलधार। विविध धर्मों त्योहारों के सांचे में हम खूब ढले। धर्म और त्योहारों के सांचे में हम खूब ढले, रंग बिरंगे फूलों से सुरभित सुंदर गीत रचे। माझी हम इस वैतरणी के करते मिलकर साज सवार। हम KPS की मधुमाती गंगा की है धवलधार। हम KPS की मधुमाती गंगा की है धवलधार। ओ नदियाँ पहाड़ या जंगल, ढेरों सपने इंद्रधनुष से बड़े लेके हाथों में हाथ। हम KPS की मधुमाती गंगा की है धवलधार। हम KPS की मधुमाती गंगा की है धवलधार। हम KPS की मधुमाती गंगा की है धवलधार।
That was indeed a beautiful song with a conventional learning and is now shifted to social learning successfully. This is the time to bring into line our school motto, knowledge to perfection, so that we can prepare ourselves to stand out and adjust even in the toughest times like pandemic and come out victorious. Sun beam on the ice, castles on the heights, desert on the sides, rainbow like a kaleidoscopic guise. Be prepared to watch our colorful fancy dress show, depicting the essence of spring and sharing the expression of Keats' lines. A thing about beauty is a joy forever. These lines are not sufficient enough to defend the beauty of our lovely kids of KPS. It was exuberant mystic to watch them, keeping in sync with the theme of our Founders Day, showcasing excellence from conventional to social learning, which implies that particular emphasis should be laid on the development of creative potential of each individual, which further says that education should development not only cognitive but also social, ethical, emotional capacities. Based on this theme, we are now going to present a TV show.
Hello viewers, you are watching your favorite TV show, Prime Time, and I am Shubham Gehlawat, your always and always favorite host. आज अपना कीमती वक्त निकाल कर हमारे स्टूडियो में 5 महान हस्तियां आई हैं। जी हाँ, शिवांश भट्ट जी, he is English language professor at Delhi University. Diksha ji, she is mother of 2 children who study in class 10th and class 12th. Khushi ji, she is a CBSE resource person. Akansha ji, she is doctor by profession. And Bhumi ji, she is career counselor. Today's topic for panel discussion is transitioning of teaching and learning process during Corona age. Let's start with Shivansh ji. Shivansh ji, how would you define conventional learning and social learning?
Well, Shubham, I still remember when I was in my school, my teachers used to dictate notes and we just kept jotting them down in my notebook. And we were also forced to cram them down thoroughly just in order to score some marks. That is called conventional learning, where you are not allowed to think out of the box. That makes you creative and promotes lifelong learning. So, this traditional methodology of teaching is now being shifted to competency-based social learning now. हमें बच्चों को यह सिखाना चाहिए कि क्या सोचें, ना कि कैसे सोचें.
Shubham, I would like to add that compared to traditional formal learning techniques, social learning emphasizes on experimental learning. Simply speaking, children learn by examples. And by my experience, it is easy to understand.
Well, Shubham, I absolutely agree with Shivansh ji. We all know that man is by nature a social animal, and that is why social interactions are crucial to our development at every stage of our lives. And learning is all about interactions we came across all facets of our lives.
Yes, Diksha ji, every day we come across so many people, we talk to them, we listen what they are saying. So viewers, वक्त हो चुका है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, कहीं जाइएगा नहीं. Hello listeners, once again to our prime time. Continuing with our discussion on excellence in learning process, I would like to ask Khushi ji to give her views.
Shubham, let me tell you that Corona taught us a lot. In fact, it is a blessing in disguise for all of us. And it taught us a lesson to upgrade ourselves personally, professionally, and spiritually as well. So the parents must start working on their children according to the National Education Policy.
Shubham, I must acknowledge the teachers of Kalka Public School who are really grooming the overall personalities of the students with their special attention to their behavior, with their excellent teaching learning techniques that are helping them to stay positive during tough times.
Thank you everyone for your wonderful suggestions और अपना कीमती वक्त निकालकर हमारे प्राइम टाइम को और भी अच्छा बनाने के लिए. तो साथियों, याद रहे, बुरे समय के बाद अच्छा समय ज़रूर आता है. बस साहस, धैर्य, सत्कर्म, इनका साथ नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. घर पर रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए.
Dance is one of the most divine forms of arts. Dancers are the messengers of God. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fears, we dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams. Presenting before you a beautiful dance performance as a message to God for eradicating miseries and sufferings of the world.
ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है. आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, आती है आंधियाँ तो कर उनका खैर मकदम, तूफान से ही तो लड़ने खुदा ने तुझे गढ़ा है. ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है. वो सर्व शक्तियों से जब साथ है हमारे वो सर्व शक्तियों से, जब साथ है हमारे हर काम उसके रहते, हर दिस हुआ पड़ा है। कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ, कभी हारना ना, हिम्मत का कदम बढ़ाओ। हजारों कदम बढ़ाने वो सामने खड़ा है। ये मत कहो खुदा से मेरी मुश्किलें बड़ी हैं, ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। ये मुश्किलों से कह दो मेरा खुदा बड़ा है। मेरा खुदा बड़ा है, मेरा खुदा बड़ा है।
That was indeed an elegant performance, the act that gave wings of reality to the real ambition of our establishment. The darkest hours are before dawn. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? As we come to an end of our today's event, I once again wish everyone a very happy Founders Day. It's rightly said that good things come to those who want, but better things come to those who go out and get them. On our Founders Day, we take a pledge to work earnestly for the growth and development of the institution, to uplift its glory to the greatest height and dimensions. I, on behalf of KPS, wish everyone associated with it a great health and a very bright future. मंजिलें मिल ही जाती है एक दिन, ये मुकद्दर का खेल नहीं होता। मंजिलें मिल ही जाती है एक दिन, ये मुकद्दर का खेल नहीं होता। अगर कोशिश ही ना करे इंसान तो कामयाबी से मेल नहीं होता। Thank you for being wonderful audience.